guys, what I worked on today was adding a little animation for the drone here. So it kind of just does a little hover. And I know I was having a problem with making it like transition into the animation, the end of stream, but I went off and kind of fixed that. You see some other lights moving too, so it works. And I added a spawner, and I wrote a whole new pooler that should be a little bit better for me. I added a spawner here, and I told it to spawn 3 of them. The other one's so high you can't see it, over here somewhere. If I do this, we can see all 3 of them floating in the air. So it spawns them within an area, but I moved them around because they use the same controls as that one, so they're not in their area, but they did spawn inside of that area. So we saw the lights move, right? Heck yes. Alright guys, stop by my stream at twitch.tv/Spherous, SPHEROUS, or stop by my website at playpolaris.com and follow my devlog. Have a good one.